I'm putting out an urgent piece of information. The Haryana police in the last week, 10 days, has been carrying out a completely illegal drive. They are picking up migrant workers from West Bengal, all of them Bengali speaking, a large number of them also Muslim. They are being specially targeted and they're holding them in detention in a small community center in Sector 10A in Gurgaon. These migrant workers work as cooks, work as maids, work as domestic staff, work as cleaners, work as rag pickers, work as unskilled menial jobs in and around Gurgaon. The police are picking them up from Badshahpur, from Fazilpur, from Yamunanagar, from Gurgaon, from even as far as Ambala. And they are living under constant terror. This is an illegal drive. They're saying plainclothes police are picking them up and threatening them. They're living in constant terror that they're going to be deported. They are being called Bangladeshis. They are being asked to show documents. And even when they show valid Aadhaar cards and other document, they're still saying this is not enough. What is happening now is that citizens of our country, especially from West Bengal, in the state of Haryana and in and around Gurgaon, which frankly has been built on the labor of migrant workers. Whoever lives in Gurgaon is not from Gurgaon. You may be more educated than the menial worker, but you have also come from another state. You may be working in an IT company and earning a salary which is 10x that of the migrant worker. But basically, we are all migrant workers that have made Gurgaon. And today what is happening is that the very same migrant worker, maybe poorer than you, on whose labor the entire ecosystem of Gurgaon is built, is being targeted by the very police who is meant to protect them. This is illegal. This is like living in Nazi Germany, where the Jews were being completely terrorized and living under constant fear of being picked up and put in camps. This is exactly the kind of situation that is happening today. I would like to tell every single professional who is working in Gurgaon, in and around Gurgaon, please make people aware. These are people who bring up your children, who cook your food, who look after our families. They deserve respect. And if there are not illegal Bangladeshis, and they have no right to be marked as such simply because they speak in Bengali. So I'm appealing to everyone, please let's spread this message. This is a completely illegal drive. If somebody needs documentation or verification, the line of command, the chain of process, due process is that Haryana police tell Bengal police, we verify them at home and send them the documents and then they proceed. The idea is not to create an atmosphere of terror and pick up poor unskilled workers and put them in a community center, which is basically a detention camp. Now you have plainclothes people walking around and saying, pay me X, pay me Y, otherwise I will deport you, otherwise I will get you picked up. You do realize what kind of terror this is creating. Please everyone, let's pitch in and let's make India a better place.